Last week, one of my Amazon accounts spent about $70 in ads to win a single $140 order. I found it, diagnosed it, and had a fix list in about 15 minutes. Not because I'm fast, because I run the same 15-minute audit on every account every time, and AI does the heavy reading for me. I manage 8+ live marketplace accounts every day. This is the exact audit. The 4 reports, the 5 checks, and the prompts so you can run it on your own account today. Here's what a PPC audit normally looks like. You pay an agency a few hundred to a couple $1,000s, wait a week or two, and get back a slide deck that says your AY cost is high, which you already knew. Or you do it yourself. You open Campaign Manager, scroll through 200 search terms, your eyes glaze over, and you close the tab. The problem was never missing data. Amazon gives you everything. The problem is that reading 60 days of search term data across dozens of campaigns takes a human hours, and it takes AI about a minute. So the audit I'm about to show you has one rule: Claude reads, I decide. Minute 0 to 3 is just downloads. In Seller Central, go to your advertising reports and pull 4 files. 1. The search term report lasts 60 days. This is where wasted spend hides. 2. The placement report lasts 30 days. The same keyword can be profitable at top of search and a money pit on product pages. 3. The campaign report lasts 7 days, your what's on fire right now view. And 4. The business report lasts 60 days. That one isn't an ads report. It tells you which products actually convert once a shopper lands on the page. Then I drop all 4 into a Claude project. If you watched my last video, it's the same setup. A project with standing instructions so I never have to re-explain my account. And the instructions hold 2 numbers Claude has to know: my contribution margin and my target AY costs. Without those, every recommendation is a guess. Check 1, wasted spend, minutes 3 to 6. The prompt is 1 sentence. From the search term report, list every term with meaningful clicks and 0 orders in 60 days with total spend per term sorted by spend. On a hoodie account, this is where you find out you've been paying for clicks on hoodie for dogs for 2 months. Every term on that list becomes a proposed negative keyword. Proposed. Claude recommends, I approve. Never let any tool auto-apply negatives because one bad negative can block a term that converts every December. Check 2, placements, minutes 6 to 8. From the placement report, compare AY cost by placement for each campaign and flag any campaign where product page AY cost is more than double top of search. This is the highest leverage check almost nobody runs. Same campaign, same keywords, 18% AY costs at top of search, 52% on product pages. And the fix usually isn't pausing the keyword. It's shifting the placement modifier so the same budget buys more of the placement that works. Check 3, heroes versus bleeders, minutes 8 to 11. Now the business report earns its place. Cross-reference ad spend per product with unit session percentage, which products convert well and deserve more budget and which get traffic but don't convert. The heroes convert above your category average. They can take more budget starting today. The bleeders get plenty of clicks and almost no orders. And here's the rule I never break: never spend more on a product that doesn't convert. If the listing can't close the traffic it already gets, more ad spend just makes the loss bigger. Fix the page. Images, price, reviews, then advertise. Check 4, trend versus target, minutes 11 to 13. This is the check that caught my $70 problem. On this account, I'll call it account A. Target TAY cost is 10%. Month to date it was running 15. Annoying but survivable. Then one morning the daily number hit 49%, 5 times target, and because the trend line already existed, the spike was impossible to miss. 1 campaign, 1 order, $70 of spend. Claude flagged the exact campaign in seconds, and this matters, it flagged a caveat with it. A single order spike needs a cause check before you cut. Real customer, legitimate keyword, or a fluke. I checked. It held up, then I cut the bids. Check 5, the refund tax, minutes 13 to 15. Almost no audit includes this, and in apparel it's the whole game. Account A's refund rate was running near 30% that month. Think about what that means. Nearly 1 in 3 orders my ads won came back, and your ads dashboard has no idea. So the last prompt is, Adjust every campaign's AY costs for the account's refund rate. Which campaigns stop making sense? Campaigns that look fine at face value quietly die on this check. 15 minutes in, this is what I'm holding: a proposed negatives list from check 1, placement shifts from check 2, a feed these fix those products split from check 3, one campaign bid cut from check 4, and a refund adjusted kill list from check 5. 2 guardrails before you touch anything, because AI will happily recommend violence. I never move a bid more than about 25% in one pass, and I never shift more than about 20% of budget in 1 week. Small moves, weekly rhythm. The audit isn't a one-time rescue, it's a loop. And the honest frame? Account isn't broken, it's running almost double last year's order volume this month. Growth is exactly when efficiency slips, which is why the audit is scheduled, not saved for emergencies. Right now, account is part of a bigger experiment. I'm logging its PPC data every single day for 30 days, the spike, the fix, and whatever happens next. The full before and after is coming as its own video, and the log is running as you watch this. All 5 audit prompts are in the pinned comment, ready to copy. If you missed how I set up the Claude project itself, the listings video on the channel walks through it. Subscribe so you don't miss the 30-day results, and I'll see you in the next one.